This video will show you how to remove the intake on 2015 through 2020 3.5-liter EcoBoost F-150s.
All right, getting started here, guys. There's gonna be a few different ways to take your stock intake apart. I'm gonna start by removing the clamps here holding the factory intake in place using our 7mm socket we told you about earlier. Let's go. All right, so again, this clamp does feature a 7mm head, but if you don't have a 7mm laying around, obviously you can use a flathead as well. All right, so our third and final clamp is way down in there, kind of hard to see, but basically at this point, if you want to get a long extension with your 7mm or just a long flathead screwdriver and loosen up our final clamp. With those three clamps loosened up, now we can unplug our factory intake air temperature sensor here. We're gonna leave the sensor in for now, but then once the intake is out, we're gonna transfer that sensor over to our new Roush system. Now we're just gonna go ahead and separate the factory air box from the bottom portion of the assembly. Simply remove these two clips. That will free the upper portion of the assembly so we can pull the intake out of the truck. With the majority of our factory intake out of the truck, now we're going to work on removing the snorkel and the lower portion of the air box. Getting started, grab your panel removal tool, flathead screwdriver, whatever you have access to, and gently remove these two clips. Now we have our 13mm socket, and we're going to work on this bolt right here. We're going to grab our panel removal tool one more time here and separate this harness from the factory air box. With everything disconnected, now we can lift up the bottom portion of our factory air box and snorkel in one piece and remove it from the engine bay.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Ford trucks, keep it here at AmericanTrucks.com.